YouTubers, this is a YouTube video. I'm not going to show you my grandma or me. I'm just going to show you our block. Wait, I can't show you our house though. Maybe some rape, some child molesters are going to try to look for us. So, yeah. Oh, look it over there. A Santa Claus, a monkey, and Raider.
Raider?
Yeah. That's my school over there. Yeah. Well, if you guys can't see it, and you walk on to the end of the block, you guys can see it. Well, I'm going to turn it this way so you guys can see better. Same moving your iPod. Like that, and you can't see really well. I forgot about that. I'm sorry, users. Yeah, I'm not going to be talking. I'm just going to be showing, my school. Sorry, I have to talk on. But over there, I have a teacher named Miss Swan. She's the best teacher, PE teacher. But, yeah. Come this way. And, well, it's just straight.
You know, that you keep doing that, that makes your battery go a little faster because it's a 4G smart.
I know, it's smart. What is a 4G smart, bro?
Well, it's a 4G, but it's a smartphone.
Oh. Well, this is
over and out.
over and out.